for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened, and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but never had it.
I really hope I can put this all in one video, but if I can't, hey, what's up everybody, Honda Riding here, welcome back to another video. And I hope the side-by-siding, the dirt bike things all put into one, but it's most likely not. You can see the side-by-side tracks. This is all from me. Just gotta do some Ricky Bobby stuff here, the slingshot. Gotta wait. Shake and bake, baby. This is nice being out here. The breeze is so nice with the t-shirt on. I always look over there whenever we go in here because that's where the cop was, sitting in that dome, I'm pretty sure. We didn't get it. I don't always talk about that one time there was a cop, and how bad it was, but we never got a ticket. Only gave us a little warning, told us to leave. Told us to stay off private property. Do you think we listened? Nah. But we did learn a valuable lesson. Watch out for cops. I gotta work on my wheelies. Gotta work on the big old wheelies. I don't know. Like this? Or you can create a seat out of your dirt bike. Wheelie practice is over. You know, we gotta make another goon video soon. Those are always fun. Damn, I could have ate it hard there. Dirt bikes going around dirt corners is a lot different than a side-by-side, especially at 850. You just gotta give it throttle and turn. For me, I cannot fall. Oh yeah. Heading back now. I want to just fly. Some NASCAR to get in the wind. This Ricky Bobby slingshot. You get up nice and close. You watch out. Oh no. Well, don't want to run into the back of a side-by-side, so we're just gonna chillax. But one day we will do the Ricky Bobby slingshot. This might be the ending of one video. This might be the ending of two. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Comment down below what you thought about the video. My name is Honda Riding, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Are you Honda riding?
Yes! Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no